Building list is very, very important. Like, I don't need to overemphasize for you, right? Let me sit back a little bit. And today on Sales Daily with Joshua, I want to share with you free platforms you could use to start up building your email list. Building list, why is important? It's also costly to build. All right, when you have platforms that will charge you a lot of money. Currently now, as someone who has spent a long time in the industry, I have thousands of emails on my email list. When I mean thousands, I don't mean people who bought my products as the e-commerce industry is concerned. I'm talking about individuals who are into the making money industry. All right, these are people who are looking at. I know how much I spend. Hundreds of dollars I pay just to have these things up and running for me every time. But for a starter and for a beginner, why would you want to spend thousands of money, maybe thousands of naira, or maybe thousands of dollars just to keep growing your leads? It becomes capital intensive for you as of the time you are starting. So the best thing is to have a platform where you don't have to spend a lot of money until you start making a lot of money from your email list. And today I'm going to share with you 5 of these platforms that you can use to generate this kind of email list directly from your website, from any platform. Why some people might be using their Google Forms to collect leads, which is a very bad practice per se, because you have to collect those leads, export them again, send them to an autoresponder platform, and all of those rigorous processes and all of that. Well, this is exactly what you should be doing, because when you collect this list, the sweet part of the whole process is you having an autoresponder that will schedule out emails that be going and flying to the inbox of your leads. So imagine this. Imagine if you collect email of people and you have to send that email every day. Let's say you send a particular email today. Tomorrow you have to send it again because of those that join tomorrow. Next month you have to send it again because of those. So it becomes a burden. So what autoresponder platform do for you is they collect these leads. If someone joins today, they will get the email that people that joined 5 years ago got, if that's how you want to schedule it. If someone joins tomorrow, they'll get the email of those that joined today got. So their day starts from the time you join the email list. So that's an amazing thing for you. So just in case you don't really understand this whole concept, I'll be explaining very soon details about email marketing, right? But in case you already know, well, let me just hop up to the next part. The top 5 platforms that give you free service for you to use their platform to really send out emails and automate the process. I'm going to share with you now.
All right, so I'm going to share with you guys the 5 platforms, and of course I might give you a bonus platform. Okay, so let's go very quickly. This is MailChimp. MailChimp.com. The link will always be in the description section of this video. So MailChimp gives you access to, let's look at their pricing, 2,000 subscribers. They have a premium version, standard, essential accounts, but look at the free version. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. You see that you have 2,000 contacts, $0 per month. Every month is $0, man. It's free, and you can implement it with any website. Of course, very easy with CRMs. Can use it to build your email list and send autoresponders and all of those stuff. Everything is available for you for free, but you can't exceed 2,000 email lists, which is a very good start for people who are just starting. So let's say you don't have any leads, or you're just starting to build your list. Before you get 2,000, man, you should be able to generate at least $50 minimum benchmark from your 2,000 list if you do the job well. So this is MailChimp, an awesome platform. I've used this platform a couple of times and I've been using it before now. And there's just a con to it. They don't permit a lot of these affiliate products, just like some other email marketing softwares and platforms. They don't allow you to use some specific words. In fact, you cannot even promote multi-level marketing businesses using their service. Obviously, platforms like businesses, MLM, like Longreach and Co, those stuff. So, but that's for MailChimp. Okay, so let's look at the next one. The next one is quite an interesting one for me. MailerLite. MailerLite is so cool, and maybe I should just show you guys behind the scenes of these applications, right? How it looks like. But just if I do that, MailChimp gives you access to 1,000 contacts for free. So you have to pay 0 naira, $0, 0 whatever, free. But the con there is you cannot send more than 12,000 emails in 30 days. Do you get it? So that means if you have 1,000 subscribers now, you just have 12 emails to send out every month, which is not bad at all for people that are just starting, right? So if you have 1,000 emails every month, you can only send out 12,000 emails. So let's say you're building your list from scratch, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1,000. 12 maximum per month. So there's a slight difference. So with MailChimp, you have 2,000 subscribers and unlimited messages every month. It's literally a free service for you. At first, you have 2,000 subscribers, but at the moment you cross 2,000 subscribers, you are expected to pay for the service. All right. So let's go to the next one. Email Octopus. Emailoctopus.com. Remember, all the links are in the description. So Email Octopus has a free and a pro version. The free version gives you access to 2,500 subscribers, so it's way bigger than MailerLite and MailChimp, right? And it gives you access to send 10,000 emails every month. So literally, if you have exactly 2,500 subscribers, you can only send out emails maybe 7 to 8 times every month, about that range. And they are using AWS service. So emails from Email Octopus has a greater chance, of course, not that it's far better, but there's a great chance of it hitting your inbox, right? And they have these reports for every 30 days and basic support for free of charge. So let's say you now have anything above 2,500 subscribers, you can then up your game, up your paying plan from $20 and above and above and above and above. Okay, so that's for emailoctopus.com. Let's look at SendFox. Amazing platform. I've used SendFox. I've used it a couple of times. In fact, I think I have about 3 accounts on SendFox. SendFox works very well, but it has a problem with integration. Okay, it has a problem with integration with, if you're using a WordPress site, any kind of site at all. And minus that, it works fine. So what I did then, I used this platform a long time ago because I didn't have a lot of money to spend on email marketing software. So I created 3 different accounts. Each account had 1,000 email list, and that was 3,000 for me. And then I was using it. That's a very bad practice, guy, but I was doing that, of course. But that's it. So 1,000, and you can send unlimited messages. All right, send out those messages. And you have, of course, double opt-in is required. It's very, very compulsory. You can't bypass it with SendFox. But if you're using the Empire version, it's optional. You can make it optional. And they have this lifetime plan. If you pay $49 for a lifetime, you have unlimited messages you can send, and you have 5,000 email contacts. And anything that is above 5,000, you have to pay extra $49, right? So imagine having an unlimited service for just $49 lifetime. That's very cool, right? Very cool. So I'm giving all of these best options so that you now know which one you will go for, right? Now, amazing one. The number 5th is Sendblue. I like the user experience of Sendblue. It's just an awesome platform. Look at this graph. This animation here is very cool, right? But let's look at their pricing. So Sendblue gives us a very special offer, but very weird at the same time. So you can have 1 million email contacts. It's free, like you can store them up there, but you're only expected to send out 300 email every single day. So you can't send out more than 300 email every day. So if you send out 300, send out emails to 300 contacts today, that's all for today. Tomorrow it's another 300, next month. So every single day you have. So it's just very horrible experience, man. But you have unlimited contacts. You can put 1 million email lists. It's all good. And then from their light version, you can start paying. So this one is very free. This is their plan, is very free, right? An awesome platform. Then let's look at an extra bonus for you, GetResponse. I've used GetResponse platform. It's quite amazing, like amazing. So they give you 30 days free trial. It's not totally free, right? but they just give you 30 days free trial to use their features. You have access to all of their features, but of course the brand, you have this get response brand logo at the foot of your emails when you send them out. All right, but you have 30 days to try out their service. So I've used that 30 days trial version, and it was an awesome experience. Email was going out well, and just a cool experience, right? And it's just fine. So these are the 5, and I give you extra platforms that you can use to start up your email marketing business if you don't have a lot of money to spend on building, on paying for auto-response softwares, right? So these platforms give you opportunity to do your auto-responding, and then build automate emails that go out from time to time, which is of course a very very good start for someone who is just starting out new, right? But just before I end this video, I want to show you something super amazing, something that will really blow you away, right? I don't know if you guys are ready to see this. I want to show you something that is so interesting. I want to show you something that will definitely help you get your first 1,000 high-paying client leads on your email, and I'm going to show you how you can as well generate a lot of money from building leads, right? Let me show you very quickly. Now here is it. I'm organizing for the very first time in my career. I'm organizing an email marketing masterclass. It's going to be a live recorded intensive training, and I'm not pretty sure that you might be seeing this as at the time I'm recording this video, depending on the time you are watching this video. But this particular training is going to be mind exclusive. Like, it's going to blow you away, because I'll be sharing, first of all, how to build high converting leads for yourself. So I'm going to build out funnels that you can use to collect leads, awesome leads, not stupid leads, like people who will be willing to pay you at the end of the day. And I'm going to show you how to set up these funnels. I'm going to be live doing these 2 days live training for you live on the 10th and 11th of July. And then I will be giving you email script and template that you can use to unlock steady flow of sales from your email marketing business. So when you're sending out emails, I'm going to give you scripts, so you don't need to even figure out what I even said to these guys on the 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4. Those templates will be available for you. I'm going to show you what I use and what you can also use to get these people to pay you while they are reading your emails, right? So I'm going to show you also how I'm going to give you a checklist that you can use to send out emails within this particular time, and then how to structure it, what must be in every email you're sending out, and how to make sure that you're trapping these people on the hook where they will get to give you their money, right? I'm going to engage you on your first 1,000 lead generation challenge. So it's called the execution master plan. So where I'll be showing you how to generate your first 1,000 leads. So I'll be, after teaching all of this stuff, we're engaged in a very long challenge that is aimed to show you how to implement everything. I will teach you how to use all of the templates and checklists and whatever script I'll be giving you, and how to use it to generate your first 1,000 leads, right? And both that, I'll be giving you all the softwares and tools you will need that I personally use to get my leads and build my email list followership, and then get them to pay me a lot of money, right? So other bonuses, and guess what, the registration fee is just 8,500 naira. But guess what, let me just show you another sneak peek. So you have access to the live training for 2 days, 10th and 11th of July. And even if you missed the live training, you can actually get it as a course after the live event, because we have the complete playback of all of the sections. Is going to be properly recorded and very mind explosive. So you get the recorded version right here, and you also get the email template swipe, right? You get the email template swipe, you get to join the challenge, of course, and you also get all of the funnel template that you can use to set up your leads, and of course you get all the funnel tools and work. It's going to be super explosive. So just registration will be down below this video. Just 8,500 naira. You join. If you are paying from outside Nigeria, you'll be paying just $25 to join. The details of this is down, or you can go to funnelhackers.club/email to sign up immediately. I'm not going to allow a lot of people to join the live training. The virtual training is going to be massive and mind-blowing, and that's where you get to ask me questions on the go during the recording phase. You get to interact with me directly live. You know, the energy that flows when you're recording live, when you're teaching live, is usually tremendous. So you really want to experience that energy and the whole learning experience. And it's titled the Underground Expert Training for business owners and internet marketers who want to make corrosive sales from the push of email without spending a dime. So after you've generated your leads, you don't need to keep spending a lot of money to run Facebook ads. Facebook ads can literally give you low conversion if you don't do it properly. That doesn't mean that it doesn't work. It works, but at the point it gives this low conversion, and you don't want to keep spending and burning money running different kind of ads. So let's say you get these people through our lead funnel and you store them up in your email list. Let's say you have 10,000 of these guys, 5,000 of these guys. If you can just get 50 of these guys to pay you 10,000 naira every month, or let's just say 5,000 naira every month, you are already recording over 250k for yourself every month just from your email. And it's so super amazing what I'll be teaching. So make sure you sign up right now and get access to all of these people. And remember, I'll be only permitting not more than 20 persons to join me in the virtual training. I'm very, very intentional. I don't want more than 20 people to join, but if you want to be part of the first 20 people that will join me in this virtual training, I want you to hit the link on the description part of this video and then sign up. I want to see you in the live training. But just in case, I don't know, you miss out registering for this live event that will be coming up on 10th and 11th of July 2021, you can actually enroll for the course. The description will definitely also be in the description section of this video, right? Thank you very much and see you in my next video.